Hello again. If you watch this tutorial first, it's better to watch first the basic tutorial and then jump to the advanced. So let's check more specific details in this item. We can start from group 1, open the composition group 1, and hide by this icon all the layers. You can see that every text layer has a mask that helps to reveal. You can see here that the elements around the text holders are two separate layers, so you can switch off the layer that you don't want. Remember that you can switch off altogether to the control panel. Let's hide them for now. And let's do some customization to this scene. Maybe you want more lines to write something, so we will add one more line to the scene. First of all, hide the shadow. Choose the second text holder with the mask together. Press Ctrl D or edit, duplicate. Let's type video hive. Change the duration. So this text layer will appear last one. And then create a null object. Link the new two layers to the null object and change the value of the position. Now maybe you want to move all the scene to the center of this composition, so you have to create a new null object, link everything to the null object, but not the new two layers. And change the position. Perfect. Fix the shadow. Open again the elements. We have to change the cycle here. So fix the position, press W, so you can change the size too. Maybe you want to change the position of the lines. Just select them and move them anywhere. As we said to the first tutorial, you can change the colors from this composition here, but maybe you want to use more colors, so you have to unlink to delete the expressions that link every layer with a color palette. Select all the layers, press W, let's start from the text layers. You see that the fill effect is linked with another. If you delete this expression, then you can pick any color for this layer, and that doesn't affect the other ones. Do the same for the other layers. Let's see another scene. Open the composition group 3 and hide again all the layers. If you want here to add the second line to the second text, you have to create a ladder shape. You can see that we have two shapes. One is the shape behind the text layer and the other one is the mask. So the best way to do this and not be confused, it's to delete the mask for now, unlink the transform effect with the control panel, and from the transform effect fix the width and the height. Okay. Now type let's say Envato video hive. Now find the specific site. Perfect. Duplicate this shape, name it mat, and choose alpha mat. Let's check another situation. Open the composition group number 5 and hide all the layers again. And in some cases maybe you want the text layer to reveal from the edge of the screen. So you have to just delete the masks. Also here and here. Now you have to fix the positions. In and out. Let's check something more difficult. Open the group number 7 and hide again all the layers. And let's see here you want to add one more line on this graphic design. Go somewhere here in the timeline, select the last one text and shape, hit edit copy and edit paste, or Ctrl C Ctrl V. Move both down, hide the shadow for now, press P select all the keyframes and move this group down. Also, you can do it with a null object. Perfect. Now type anything. And link the shape layer with this position null object. To change the color of this one, press W. As we said, delete the expression and pick any color. You can move all the shapes to another position by this null object. Just select the two keyframes and move it anywhere. Let's check one more. Open group 13 and hide all the layers. Here we have the same situation with the masks, that they are linked together. Go to the first text holder, type something, you see here that we have to change the shape's width. We can do it from the control panel. Maybe you want to have 2 lines, so let's type something else. Copy and paste to the second text the first one. So now we have the same text. Now you have to fix the mask. Press U to this layer. Move the mask. It's better to have a guide. Copy these keyframes to the mate layer. And do the same for the layer number 4. We have to fix the animate out. Delete these keyframes. Copy and paste the new ones. And select time reverse keyframes. Also move and the keyframe with opacity.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.